Yes, people, you don't know media facts now, come for talk facts now, come for talk trash, you see me? Yeah, man. So people are going, remember like, share and subscribe, you see me? Yeah, man. See what going on in media with Blamdem and World Dawg, you see me? Baby mother get all involved and thing. You see? Why? I don't know. Two man them not really care about involving them family in the thing or whatever, you see me? But I see World Dawg forward out and I say something about Jeffrey and you don't know Blamdem. Look on the video.
Frais go suck your mother too. We not talk about to know and back people and talk about pitney and talk about pitney off limits. So one thing woman will just have pitney. One thing woman will just have pitney. You need no trouble nobody, you need no beg, you need no come over here so she don't do nothing like that. Nothing. But you talk about Florida much as you talk about your mother, Kimmy Smith. We're in a party. Every young man a feel up her pussy. Come on, Blamdem, take a joke of yourself now. Take a real blood clot joke of yourself. I mean, don't care what nobody wants. I'm going to defend the woman, go suck out to the mother too. Brawling. So we have come talk about people. You have to understand, so you have a mother. When a dancer, bumbo clap, boy, you walk up and down, Blamdem. I mean, don't care what nobody wants to say. Pussy. You know how long you call me name and I don't answer you. Me act like you don't exist. But what you see, you don't go from a blood clot household, you have to go kill me in this pussy hole here. You have to go kill me in this. I look a batty boy on your elbow. You think you used to talk to him about that. You want to look a suck cat boy elbow. Make your friend them give you no address, pussy, and no come on here. You know what talk about address to your friend and then on the batty boy. Go suck out to the mother. On the real mother too. Cause no bad boy, no batty boy. What to know? Who Jeffrey?
I just watch a video, seeing people. I don't know. These are the thing with the situation where realize Blamdem you go up on an interview. Seeing? I don't know the interview with Jeffrey thing. Seeing? Blamdem must say talk about World Dawg baby mother and thing and say she a Florida mattress and all of them little thing they seen. So you know World Dawg in them feelings and every little thing, you know I'm woman, so I'm gonna defend him woman naturally. See? But this is the thing, Planet. Me have to say. My opinion is Blamdem don't really have nothing to lose. You understand? Him face mass up. Some of them maybe know him. You see me? But majority of people don't know him look. You see? World Dawg, everybody know him look. Everybody know him kids look. See? Yeah, everybody know him kids look and everything. You see? Everybody know him baby mother look. You see? So, you know, Blamdem forward, you know, and they an interview with Jeffrey. See? But I don't know how Jeffrey get involved in this. See? Because it's an interview, madam. You see me? And remember say, World Dawg did do an interview on the fix too, you see me? So, I don't know World Dawg and Jeffrey have. Because if you watch a video a while ago, you know, I tell Jeffrey about more than one bag of thing. See? But World Dawg shouldn't take the bait from Blamdem. Because he might forward out and say, yo, he might avoid him from how long. You see? How long he might avoid him, but you see me? So, when he might say, all of them look a thing they seen. When he must say all of them look a thing they seen, realize bro, you have your child them, see now you have your baby mother. Back and forth thing with Blamdem, that I just getting a more problem. You understand? Because me believe you have avoid a man for all many years. See? And yeah, I know look at time in the media with him baby mother and other guys and it was his virgin girl, allegedly what them say, and all of them look at thing there, you see me? But me I say, Blamdem don't really have nothing to lose. You see me? He don't really have nothing to lose, really. Him have him, you know, World Dawg must say put up his mother or whatever. You see me? So, him come out now, I retaliate him put out World Dawg address and him house. Yeah.
Release up soon. So now if you catch him before he release up. You see me, people? Because I plan to move to Texas, so I catch him before he move. You understand, people? So people, you go catch fish dog before he move. In the Miami garden, that's where he live. So you can go link him. Who want to link fish dog, go link. We want back with my trash. We want back with my trash. This one alone can make fish dog answer your man. Fish dog, he come down now. Fish dog, he come down now. You want for my trash. Carry my trash come, man. Okay, yo, me I got tropical Friday. I go home to you know. Man, I roll up in my trash. Hey baby, I'm in Florida. I live in Bronx, but now I'm in Florida. Everybody comment my trash. Everybody comment.
Understand which that can put World Dog life in a problem right now because remember what happened with the World Dog thing. Them kill him bridging. You see me? And you don't know him get shot and whatsoever. You see? So all to say, World Dog should just avoid that thing there. Cause him know say Blamdem. You know a lot of people I tell Blamdem things. Him know a lot. You understand? So him shouldn't after the interview.
Alright, so question, you World Dog you have a link before, like you know him? Yeah man. After me have a mission. The bomb buckler, the fuck you ask me. World Dog. Anybody a waste man, me tell that already. From the first day. So that's what I say, so would the conflict come up, but that man
when a party squash down and the follow up me.
So anybody
party squash a destruction. Bro, you know what squash bad man? The man is not a bad man, the man a destruction. You know bad already, if I heard Massacre say murder are different from troublemaker. Squash a troublemaker and destruction. Nah, no badness I do, and brother a bad man, J man. Squash a waste man, bro. Can't tell that bro and tell them boy they a waste man. I walk.
Him shouldn't even get no far, but I realize that maybe we not really go on for World Dog or whatsoever, you see me? He maybe want back in the spotlight and all of them things, but imagine if you know say you get shot up the other day and the man a show your address now and every look at thing. You see what I'm trying to say? And boy, the video the World Dog, the way man a go on, brother. You see me? The things that the man cool down from after the shot where him get, brother, but it's like things get worse, brother. You see me? Things get worse. Man a send threat, man say you wanna come up here and see what go on and you see me? I know. Man, it's like, man, a vile, brother. You see me? Suppose when you check it now and then you hear something go wrong and you see me? Sometime, bro. Sometime if we just see certain thing, brother. It's like when you see say devil, bro, when you're in the life. Cause I remember after what me you did there, you're easy. We don't say nothing now go on in media for him and thing. Him should just go on easy, bro. You see me? Cause Blamdem not nothing to lose. To me, because yeah, him have a mother, yes, but him not look like him not really care. You see me? Cause if him did care, him would have talk every day about things and all of them little things about people and in a confrontation with people and you see me? So World Dog put up that. You see, when you check it, the two man him wrong. Cause World Dog put up his mother and him put up World Dog address. You see me? So two of them wrong for that. You see me? But all me I say, World Dog have a lot to lose. Cause him have him kids them and him have him family. You see me? I don't know if Blamdem having no kids or no family thing. You see me? I always say I road him dogs them. You see it? So I don't know. I know say World Dog head cheap. You see me? I know him head cheap because you don't know. I'm baby mother that, so I'm gonna defend him baby mother and thing. I can't do nothing about that. You see me? But he might flare up back something right now. You understand? Because now some people know where him live. You see it? And Blamdem now ease up. Because nobody don't know Blamdem face him. Some people don't know. So Blamdem can't do any little thing, you know. You see me? Him can't do any little thing. Because him know say him good. Him isolate somewhere. You see me? They don't know where him live. You see me? It's like him and have camera in the street. You see me? So World Dog not have that right now. You see me? But I don't know him maybe I go secure him thing. You know. I don't know him I go deal with that. Cause now if him enemy are looking to things, enemy know where him live right now. Then can pull up and gate anytime. You understand? And you know, allegedly them say I'm bridging girl if he baby mother, but I don't know still. I just them a do them thing, yeah, man. You see me? If I'm bridging girl or people, him know a girl and him take her up. I just say go. You see me? Yeah, where a man have a girl as a man can, you know, have a treasure with that girl, you see me? But man have him family with the girl now. Them a live nice, them a live happy, you understand? So the thing is that World actually just avoid blame the interview, blame them do. You see it? But I guess him feel that way and you see me much avoid because I know the first me I hear about the look at thing with him baby mother. You see me, I know the first me I hear about it, so it all over the media say I'm bridging girl and how much man run through it and all of them look something there, so I don't know, I guess Blamdem thing or whatsoever, you see me? Really feel away because remember you know Frais show this, you know, this I go worldwide, this big, you know. You understand? So worse, I know him when him say Blamdem thing big, you know, and I remember you know, World Dog can you feel away say yo John what a boy think big, you know, and nothing go on for me. You see me? Yeah, cause not really I go on for World Dog, you know. You see me? And Blamdem a say him no business cause the man show him mother and whatsoever, you see me? You know? But they look like the two man them not really. It seem like them really care, you know. Especially World Dawg, the way him go on, brother, you have a family, bro. Certain look energy. You can just ease down, brother. Now bother go back down the road, the dog. Cause you may not get the second chance. You see me? You may not get the second chance, brother. Sometimes you have to just easy, dog. You see it? So don't follow Blamdem, brother. You see me? Blamdem not seem like him have nothing to lose, so you have your family and your kids, bro. You don't want them energy draw to your kids and all of them thing there, brother. You see me? So nobody follow up them on the dog. You see it? You wrong for go put up Blamdem mother. Blamdem wrong for go put up your address, car. You have your kids in my yard and all of them look at your woman. So that look good for Blamdem do. You see me? I try to set you up them way there. For maybe your enemy forward and try if you do something, you see me? With the kids them there, they never look a thing. You see it? But I see you forward up on the media. Things say you don't go easy, but yeah, push your badness, dog. You see me? I talk about, yo, make them come. Ray. You see me? Bro, go easy. You understand? Badness no pay, bro. It's like you know learn from what go on, brother. Remember what go on last time you fought on live and you ball and play gospel music? You know, want you say a night music I play. Or singing or funeral music. You see me? So, bro, just focus on your family, dog. You see me? Focus on your family. Don't go back down that road there. You see me? Cause me tell you, I feel like say the reason why him never did that answer Blamdem back then. See? I feel like what make him never answer. I feel like you don't know. Squash I'm artist, squash I'm bridging. So maybe I'll squash at him say yo. It's a my take, you know, I'm not sure, you know. You see me? Maybe squash I say yo, just lower them you then about back and forth with them you there. So when them just low certain things. You see, but I feel like say bro, this is the wrong time for your back and forth with Blamdem, brother. Wrong time, worse after all of what happened. You understand? Cause when you really hear nothing going out of the case, what go on when him get shot and all of them something. You see me? We don't really know what go on. So you know look good, brother. And nobody follow up Blamdem, dog. You see it? Blamdem have nothing to lose, brother. You see me? I don't know what you and Jeffrey have, but if I over interview, brother, that don't make no sense. You see me? Jeffrey does an interview. See him like, oh, basically, they must interview Pretty Dan. Pretty Dan? Pan the fix. You know, look up Nicki Minaj thing and Bray and this time. You see? And then Jeffrey now, or interview Blamdem. You see me? Blamdem a hot. You know, media right now, so. Jeffrey interview him, cause watch Jeffrey want him views and making money. You see me? Yeah, so I don't know if at that World Dawg tell Jeffrey about him mother for whatsoever, cause I know Jeffrey a point nothing or a point no one or nothing. Jeffrey not beat Blamdem for say anything and Blamdem a let it out, so him just a question him. You see me? Cause Jeffrey just want him to let out when him to let out. You see, but to me, you know, you see me, to me, I don't feel like Blamdem and World Dawg from the get go, they never really have nothing, you know, because it seem to me, you know, Blamdem and squash them maybe usually par and then them have a fallout, but you know, say back down the line, I like Blamdem did I say, oh, World Dawg for left from around them and the company. You see me? Can't remember, you know, but say Blamdem say, yo, any man the par run, the artist like squash, them a destruction, him no want no friend with them, so I feel like that's why I'm on to World Dawg too, you see it, so. But World Dawg have to just watch him because it's a sticky situation right now. Now the man lay out him address right now. You know look good. You see it? You don't look good at all. And show him more like address and the way your house look. Imagine you have an enemy want get to you how long. And when you look at enemy see your address and the house and everything, brother. One dangerous thing that you know. Yeah man, one dangerous thing that man. You see it, so World Dawg, to me, World Dawg should have known better now. You wanna deal with Blamdem cause him see what go on in the media already. You see me? Him see what go on in the media already. With the man them. So all of them look at thing the brother. Nah make no sense. You see it, him should not follow up that brother. If you say you try to avoid the man all long, bro, you should just continue, brother. You see me, you should just continue. You know, come back and forth with him now. Start put up him mother and all of them look at thing the brother. I chew gas in the fire, brother. You see me, at that you try to know. Cause we know Blamdem stay already. You see me, Blamdem just go talk, him just go rant, everything him nah stop. You see me? So you go do that right now. And man go start up some fire now and start baby mother and all. Cause of them thing there, you post up him mother. Put him mother thing in her life. And as you say, mother go party and all of them go thing there. The man's fee enemy them can do something to fee mother too. You understand? Him have enemy, you have enemy. So when you do that now, you know, remember say man mother this, you know, and him love him mother. So you go do this now, put out him mother picture and him enemy go do something him mother now. A problem is it on yourself now. See? So that grieve the man now. Cause remember, you know, Blamdem could have put out him address long time. But him not do it. So a story go store up now and post Blamdem mother now. So Blamdem post him address now. You understand? Cause remember, you know, him no post, him Blamdem no post him girl address or post him fee mother, well, him mother passed, but you know. So I just say go, brother. If you post a man mother, I'm gonna go post something else to your back, brother. You see me? Cause I'm family this, and that's how I go. Two on the rank same way. You see, two on the rank same way. You see me? But I mean, say a long time, Blamdem back and forth with World Dawg still, and World Dawg not answer him. You see me? You know, him not answer him and all of them little thing there, but I don't know, well, he might have him baby mother now, but people been talking about him baby mother and thing from a long time still, you see it. But this a part I look like World Dawg fed up right now. You see me? Him fed up. Him could have been that him fed up now. Or I'm a back him woman, or I'm saying, alright, right time now for me get back relevant in the media, so I go off it. You understand? But it's a serious or some serious thing this. You see it? And a joke thing this. So, my dear man say I put out this cause suppose something happen to Blamdem mother. Suppose something happen to World Dawg. Or you know, I'm look at you them are, you see me? Cause the money have enemy, serious enemy. You see me? But as I say World Dawg should just love out this, cause him see what happened to him with you. Him should just learn him lesson and say, you know what? I see say devil in that youth, you know. I just not say no, I'm not gonna pay him no mind. You see me? Cause when I see the interview, you know, I watch the interview, you know, I say, yo, Jano, I hope World Dawg not take the bait, you know. I hope World Dawg see this and just say, you know what, I'm not go back down the road there. I just love it. You see me? Cause I just say it's like Blamdem is like a dog, you know. You see? Blamdem is like a dog, a ball, a bark. You know, so you pass some gate and a dog a bark after you. See? Rather than you there. A fling stone if a dog know the dog can't forward through the gate. Or even can't jump the gate. And you there back and forth with the gate. Rare around. You should do just walk past the dog. Don't him dep on the interview and him talk. You should just love it, bro. You see me? Cause you know the man is already, the man say something when you say. You understand? So relax, you just allow that and not pay him no mind. You see me? Cause him see what going on in the media already. And him, you see me, nearly lose him life the other day, so I think he would have eased back and calm down. Cause remember say after that incident everything just fall off him, you know. You see me? Everything going a square zero. You see it? So I think say yo, the man would have just easy back and just, you know, I'm not gonna pay that youth in the mind, you know. You see me? Just make him go and chat off him out. I just want to know say, I stay for me over here and him over this. Cause brother, the only way you can out a fire. You see him? You can't just add gas to it, brother. You see me? Just easy, just cool. You see it? If you light on paper, yes, sir, in a Migler road, if you light on paper, if I just have a burn out paper till fire gone, you see me? So you didn't know. If you see that, just make Blamdem go and chat. Him that a Blamdem that him just chat and cuss right through. You should just make him go and chat. Let her go die down, brother, and the people all forget about that. You understand? People never say on internet this, you know. Not stay on it too long, you know. It just for 9 days and then that's it. You understand? People run with it for 9 days and it done. You see me? But if you add more fire to it, you know, so it will continue. And then you involve people and you this Jeffrey and you see me, you this all the youth with the girl. I think the girl, female mother usually date this youth. Or the same youth we might call in the video. You see me? You might call that the youth the name in the thing and the man do too much, brother. The way man go on for the media, bro, me think say him they get shot with you. You see me? But you see it like not him. Me thinking you that easy. You see it? I just low off social media, bro. With the badness thing, dog. You see me? One life you have, brother, and you have a youth them for live for. Blamdem not have nothing for live for, brother. You see me? Blamdem not have nothing for live, you know, flow will waste of time thing. Everybody know I Blamdem that. You see me? Blamdem just chip and chop. And him a getting money on TikTok. You, brother, you have your life, brother, for live and you youth them. You can't back and forth with Blamdem, brother. You see me? Yeah. So, bro, just focus on your family and them like a thing that, dog. You see me? Focus on your family. Protect your family, bro. You see it, focus on that. Don't follow with things on the internet, bro, and not involve people name. You see me? Yeah, bro, cause your life is more like a open book. You see me? But you know, and everybody know Blamdem, but everybody know you. Especially know how you look. You see me? Worse, them know where you live now. Go see all the enemy them a plan up you know and rot it, cause you post him man, post up your address, brother, just so you think go. You shouldn't have follow him up, bro. You see me? I know say Blamdem a waste of time. But you pick up that, bro, and a bait. When we see the interview with Blamdem, you know, me I say, wow, bait, the man a throw up a, yo, it's like when you throw a bait and I see if you catch, swim around and thing, and you see me? Like, at this Blamdem did want. You don't even know. At this Blamdem did want. You see me? This Blamdem did want. Cause one this we try set up World Dog, but World Dog take a bait. You see me? But World Dog shouldn't have company media and back and forth again. Cause remember say I hit cause him. Get shot with you, cause man now listen, brother. You see me? Man, you know sad news again, you know. Up to you know. You see me? I one life and have. You see me? So just go and do your thing, bro. You see it? Blow out the internet thing, brother. You see me? Yeah, man. But people you don't know, you know, I might take on this, you know, you see it? Yeah, man. Like she and so, cause you don't know things that you don't know media facts, you know. That is it.